make fresh churros, beat 2 eggs together with 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Pour 1 cup, 237 milliliters of water into a saucepan, along with 2 tablespoons, 25 grams of brown sugar, 1/3 cup, 76 grams of butter, and a pinch of salt. Heat the mixture to boiling while stirring it in until the ingredients are well blended. Then reduce the heat to low. Pour in 1 cup, 120 grams of sifted white flour, and stir it until you have a firm, well-blended dough. Turn off the heat, then mix in the egg and vanilla mixture. To shape the churros, form the dough into balls and roll them between your hands. You can also put the dough in a piping bag and push it out through a large star-shaped decorative tip to make churros with ridges. Fill the bottom of a large frying pan with oil about 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters deep, and heat it over medium-low heat until the oil starts smoking slightly. Put 3 to 4 churros in the oil at a time and fry them until they're golden brown all over. Turn them frequently to make sure they cook evenly. Set the finished churros on a plate lined with paper towels and pat the tops of the churros with a paper towel to soak up excess oil. Roll the churros in a mixture of white sugar and cinnamon to give them a delicious boost of sweet and spicy flavor.